Wow, look at the time. It's already 10 o'clock.
Is it really? The evening went by so quickly. I was so busy reading my book.
I know. I was watching that new documentary series. It was very interesting, but now my eyes feel tired.
My eyes feel tired too. I think it's a sign that we should start getting ready for bed.
I agree completely. I have an early meeting tomorrow morning, so I need to get a good night's sleep.
And I have that big presentation to finish. A good rest will help me think more clearly.
Okay, let's do it. Where should we start? Do you want to use the bathroom first?
You can go first. I will just finish this chapter. It will only take me a few minutes.
Sounds like a good plan. I will go and start my routine. I won't be long.
Take your time. I also need to put my book away and find my pajamas.
All right, let's start the brushing the teeth difficult thing or act. The sooner we start, the sooner we can be comfortable in bed.
Exactly. A good night's sleep is so important for a productive day. I'm looking forward to it.
I feel so much better when I get at least 8 hours of sleep. It makes a huge difference in my mood.
Me too. If I don't sleep well, I feel grumpy and I can't concentrate on my work. It's not good for anyone.
That's very true. Today was a long day. I felt very busy from the moment I woke up.
Tell me about it. My day was filled with meetings. I felt like I was talking all day long.
It's nice to finally have some quiet time to relax and unwind. This is my favorite part of the day.
I agree. The house is so peaceful at night. It's the perfect time to calm down and prepare for rest.
Did you remember to check the weather for tomorrow? I need to know what clothes to wear.
Yes, I checked it earlier on my phone. It's going to be sunny, but a little cool in the morning.
Oh, that's good to know. I'll make sure to pick out a sweater. Thanks for checking.
You're welcome. Planning ahead makes the morning so much easier and less stressful.
It really does. Okay, I'm heading to the bathroom now. See you in a few minutes.
Okay, I'll start getting things ready out here while you do that. While you are in there, I'll go around and make sure everything is secure for the night.
Good idea. Did you check the back door? I used it this afternoon when I was in the garden.
I'll check it right now. Yes, it's locked. I'll check the front door and all the windows, too.
Thank you. It helps me sleep better knowing that everything is safe and locked up.
I feel the same way. It's an important part of the routine. Okay, all the windows are closed and locked.
Perfect. What about the lights in the living room and the kitchen?
I'll turn them off now. I like to leave the small lamp in the hallway on, just in case one of us needs to get up in the night.
Yes, that's a smart idea. It provides just enough light to see without being too bright.
All right, all the main lights are off. The house is quiet and dark now. It feels much more relaxing.
Great. Is your phone charging? We need to make sure our alarms are set for the morning.
Good point. I'll plug my phone in right now on my bedside table. I need to wake up at 6:30.
My meeting is at 9, so I'll set my alarm for 7 o'clock. That gives me plenty of time.
I'm finished in the bathroom. It's all yours now. I feel so much fresher already.
Great, thank you. I'm going to go brush my teeth.
Did you see the new toothpaste?
Yes, I just used it. It has a very strong mint flavor. It's very refreshing.
I like that. It makes my mouth feel extra clean. Do you use an electric toothbrush or a manual one?
I use an electric one. My dentist recommended it. He said it cleans more effectively.
I have an electric one too. I love the built-in timer. It helps me make sure I brush for a full 2 minutes.
The timer is the best feature. Before I got this toothbrush, I don't think I ever brushed for that long.
I know what you mean. The 2 minutes feels longer than you think. Do you floss every night?
I try to. I know it's very important for healthy gums. Sometimes I forget if I'm really tired.
I'm the same. I keep the floss right next to my toothbrush to help me remember. It's a good habit to maintain.
That's a good tip. Maybe I should move mine so it's easier to see.
It definitely helps. Well, I'm off to brush and floss. My teeth are begging for it after that chocolate I ate earlier.
While you're doing that, I'm going to get my clothes ready for tomorrow. It will save me so much time in the morning.
That is always a fantastic idea. I should do that too when I'm done in here. What are you going to wear?
I'm thinking about my blue shirt, my gray trousers, and the sweater you mentioned earlier.
That sounds very nice and professional. It's perfect for your meeting. I need to choose an outfit for my presentation.
Maybe your black skirt and that white blouse? You always look so confident in that outfit.
Oh, that's a great suggestion. Thank you. I think I will wear that. See, we are so productive even when we are tired.
We make a good team. Are you washing your face now?
Yes, I am. I have to wash off my makeup from the day. My skin feels so much better when it's clean.
I always wash my face before bed, too. I just use warm water and a gentle soap.
I use a special cleanser for my skin type. It helps prevent breakouts. Then I put on a little bit of moisturizer.
That's a good routine. Taking care of your skin is important. It's our body's largest organ.
It is, and the moisturizer feels so nice and soothing. My skin gets very dry, especially in the winter. Okay, I'm all done in the bathroom.
Perfect timing. I just finished laying out my clothes for tomorrow on the chair.
See, we are getting everything done. Now, I just need to find my favorite pajamas.
Are you looking for the blue ones with the little clouds on them?
Yes, those are my favorite. They are so soft and comfortable. Have you seen them?
I think I saw them in the laundry basket. I did a load of laundry this afternoon. They should be clean.
Oh, wonderful. I'll go get them. What about you? What pajamas are you wearing tonight?
I'm just going to wear my gray sweatpants and a comfortable t-shirt. I like to keep it simple.
That sounds comfortable too. The most important thing is to feel relaxed for sleeping.
Exactly. I can't sleep if my pajamas are too tight or scratchy. Comfort is key.
I found them. They're still warm from the dryer. This is the best feeling.
It really is. There's nothing like putting on clean, warm pajamas before getting into a cool bed.
I completely agree. It's one of the simple pleasures in life. I'm going to change into them right now.
I'm going to make sure our bedroom is ready for sleep. Should I close the curtains all the way?
Yes, please. I sleep so much better when the room is completely dark. The street lights outside can be very bright.
I agree. A dark room helps you fall asleep faster. Okay, the curtains are closed.
Thank you. did you turn on the ceiling fan? I like to have a little bit of air moving.
I'll turn it on now. I'll put it on the low setting so it's just a gentle breeze.
That's perfect. It also creates a little bit of white noise, which is very soothing and helps me sleep.
Me too. It blocks out any small noises from outside. Is your alarm set and ready?
Yes, my alarm is set for 6:30. I put my phone on the charger. Is yours set?
Yes, mine is set for 7. I also put my glass of water on the bedside table. I sometimes get thirsty in the middle of the night.
That's a good habit. I should probably do that as well. I'll go get some water right now.
The bed looks so inviting. The pillows are fluffed and the covers are turned down.
It looks wonderful. I can't wait to get in and get cozy. Our bed is my favorite place in the whole world.
So, are you going to read your book for a little while before you go to sleep?
Yes, I think I will. Reading helps me to relax my mind. It stops me from thinking about work.
That's a great way to wind down. I think I'll do the same. What are you reading right now?
I'm reading a mystery novel. It's very exciting, but I will only read one more chapter. I don't want to stay up too late.
That's a good plan. Sometimes a book is so good that you can't put it down.
I know that feeling. What about you? What kind of book are you reading?
I'm reading a non-fiction book about history. It's very interesting, but it's also very easy to fall asleep to.
That sounds like the perfect bedtime book then. It educates you and helps you sleep.
It really is. I find that if I look at my phone before bed, my brain feels too active and I can't fall asleep.
I have the same problem. The blue light from the screen is not good for sleep. A real book is much better.
I agree. It's a much healthier habit. Okay, I have my book and my reading light. I'm ready.
I'm ready too. Let's get into bed. It feels so good to finally lie down after a long day.
This is so comfortable. I think I could fall asleep right now.
I know. My body feels so heavy and relaxed. Before we read, what's on your schedule for tomorrow, besides your big meeting?
Well, the meeting is in the morning. After that, I need to finish a report. Then, in the afternoon, I plan to go to the gym.
Oh, that's right. It's your gym day. I hope you have a good workout.
Thanks. I hope so too. What about you? What does your day look like after your presentation?
The presentation is at 10. I think it will go well. After that, I have a few emails to answer, and then I need to go grocery shopping.
Do you have the grocery list ready, or do you need me to help you make one?
I made a list on my phone earlier today. We need milk, bread, eggs, and some vegetables for dinner tomorrow night.
Sounds good. What are you planning to make for dinner? Something delicious, I hope?
I was thinking of making that pasta dish with roasted vegetables, the one you like so much.
I love that dish. That's something wonderful to look forward to. Thank you for planning that.
Of course. It's nice to have a plan for the next day. It makes me feel organized and calm.
I agree. It feels good to know what to expect. Okay, my eyes are getting very heavy.
I think I can only read for about 5 minutes.
My eyes are closing too. I might not even finish this chapter. The bed is just too comfortable.
I'm going to turn off my reading light now. I don't want to fall asleep with it on.
Good idea. I'm going to do the same. I'll put my bookmark in my book.
All right, everything is done. The house is quiet, we are clean and comfortable, and we are ready for a good night's rest.
It was a good day today, and tomorrow will be a good day too.
Yes, it will be. I hope you sleep well and have pleasant dreams.
You too. I hope your meeting goes perfectly tomorrow. You are very prepared for it.
Thank you. And I know your presentation will be amazing. You worked so hard on it.
Thank you for the encouragement. It means a lot to me. Good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.
You too. See you in the morning.